Yes, Peter Obi says PVC is important. I think it's not as important as electoral reform. And I'd like to repeat here that if we don't get electoral reforms passed, make IREF justiciable, make the use of Pvcs, make all the technology that will make elections safe, all right, and be able to look at the electoral laws in such a way that as we speak today, do you know that if there's any infraction like certificate palaver against an opponent, once the opponent passed the primaries of his party, other political parties cannot sue him based on it. It has to be the people that he contested in the primary with. Once you don't change those laws and get a holistic electoral reform, forget 2027. I will be here after the elections and I will remind you that I said it. Record today's dates down. So we'll be joking, number one. Number two, we talk about money in politics. How are we not going to have money in politics? See, people that are being given bribe of 20,000 naira to vote for them, in fact, they are being cheated. In this last election, I got empirical facts that they gave some people 20,000. The people that were sharing the money gave the people 10,000. So they even cut the money in half. So cheater, they cheat cheater. They are all cheating them. So it's a value chain of cheating. And the voters too, that go to like 2, 3, or 4 different political and collect the same money. At the end of the day, what do you collect? You collect less than 50,000 on election day. That 50,000, maybe you cook your pot of soup a couple of times. It's all over. Then you have to deal with someone that is so corrupt that will steal times 10 of the money he has given you. So in the value chain, you that collected the money are the biggest fool. Because you are being cheated. It's not the amount that the politician release that gets to you in the end. How do you want elections to be seen where till today, INEC has not ever implemented the laws as regards how much you can spend per election? All political parties have crossed that spending threshold one way or the other. Has INEC been able to implement and bring them to book? No. How will you want to remove money from election where the barrier to getting a party ticket for presidential election is how much? I mean, over 100 million. So I would like to propose some solutions. You can say I'm very radical. If we truly want sanity, money should not be involved. But the political parties will argue and say, Rufai, no, there must be money involved. How are we going to run the elections? The money we'll take will use to run the election. Fine. Like it's the political party that put money down. In the end, it's the funders that put money down. Please. So when they say we have to run the election, it's not true. Because it was when we started fighting with the PDP that we know that the same money that they collected for primaries was siphoned. And he said those things. I would like a case where we have a proper vetting process that includes the criminal records of anybody that wants to vie for presidency. Not about collecting money from them. An independent panel that will be able to screen based on their criminal records and antecedents. Let's see if they will truly prize screening. But that's if they don't even bribe those that are on the screening panel with money.